Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with another question from Bluebook Test 1. This time Math Module 2B, question 7, right, the harder module. And this one is on nonlinear equations in one variable, or systems of equations, right? And it's level medium, they said. So for this one, the way we do it is first we read the question. P equals 20 plus 16 over n. The given equation relates the numbers p and n, where n is not equal to 0 and p is greater than 20. Which equation correctly expresses n in terms of p? Okay, so n in terms of p, you want to isolate the variable, right? So when you isolate variables, you do the opposite of PEMDAS, which is going to be SADMEP, which doesn't sound as good, even though we have a word in there, right, with SAD. But we're going to do the opposite first. So we're going to subtract 20. We're going to get p minus 20 equals 16 over n. Right now we have the variable we want isolated underneath the fraction, which can be annoying for some people, but you basically can flip both equations, or you can multiply by n and then isolate it. So I'm going to multiply by n and then isolate to show you the more classic way, right? So you're going to have n parentheses p minus 20, close parentheses, equals 16, and I'm not going to distribute, because if I distribute and then I have to factor it out, that's just a misstep. So I'm going to divide by p minus 20, right, because it's getting multiplied by n. So to do the opposite, we just divide. And this is going to give us our answer, right, which is going to be n equals 16 p minus 20, which is, when we look at this, d. Okay? So that's how we do it that way. If you want to do it by flipping, what you would do then is something like this. Look, you have p minus 20 equals 16n. Come on, come on. And you just flip both fractions, right? And you're going to get, you put all that underneath a fraction with a numerator of 1. So you're going to have 1 over p minus 20 equals n over 16. And then you just multiply both sides by 16, and you get the 16 p minus 20, right? So as long as you're flipping both sides of the equation, it'll work. You just want to be careful to make sure you flip the whole thing, and don't do 1 over p minus 1 over 20. You want to keep them all underneath the denominator, and that gets us d. All right? I love both ways. I think the first way is the more classic way that people have been taught. This feels kind of like a shortcut, but they're the same number of steps, so whatever floats your boat. And that is it for today's video. Join me again next time. Like and subscribe. I'll be doing question 8. I'll soon be doing a compilation on this unit and the next math module 2A, right, which is like the quote-unquote easier one. And then we will do the verbal section. I'm not just a math guy. I do it all. I do it all. So I'll see you all next time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.